Alright guys, I don't know how to better set this up. I didn't bring my tripod with me, but this was ringing up like a nickel. Let me see where it was at here. Nope. Guess it helps if I turn it back on. Right here. Hey guys, Ringmaster Ray. I'm a little sick, so you hear it in my voice. Just getting over the big C word, yep. But I got a great place to hunt, feeling better, still in isolation, so I figured why not come out and have a good time. All right, but I'm gonna bring you on my first find because it's pretty exciting. So let's get this day started really good. Here we go. All right, so I popped this out and it's bringing a good solid sound there. So I come down to the hole, I flip it out. Guys, you're not gonna believe it. Look at that. I got a ring, and I bet that is gonna be a gold ring right there. Yep, it's got some weight to it. Guys, we have first gold ring of the day. That is incredible. Awesome. All right, I'll bring you on my next find. Just dug something up really cool. I'm not sure what it is. I hadn't even pulled it out of the ground yet. But I think it's a metal of some sort because I am on a military base. So let's flip it around, see what we got. Check that out, guys. That is sweet. That's awesome. Just an old Air Force base and that's an old Air Force medal there. That is freaking amazing. Wow. Guys, bringing you in for our next fight. I don't know what it is, but it looks like a little piece of jewelry. Call it just bling. Kind of rusting away already. But another find. That's pretty cool though. Charm thing on the necklace probably. Alright, bringing you out here hunting, and it's been a while since I've got something really good. But now we got a weedy, guys. Let's check it out here together. Got it right here. I'm gonna clean it off and we'll look at it. Go. We see the wheat scent. Let's see if we can get a date off of it. Kind of crusty right there. All right, I think we're close. At least we get the first 19 something digit. And there we are. Still can't quite tell. I'll clean it up a little more and I'll bring you back up a little bit. Let's take a look. See if we can get a, let me set that still. I shaped a little too much. Oh man, that's gonna be an early one too. Look at that. Looks like 1923 Denver or something like that. That is pretty awesome. I'll bring you on our next find. Alright guys, I don't know how to better set this up. I didn't bring my tripod with me. But this was ringing up like a nickel. Let me see where it was at here. Nope. Guess it helps if I turn it back on. Right here. And this comes out of the ground. Not for sure. That is definitely a ring. So let's take a look at it and see if we got any markings inside. For it to come out this color, at the age of where I'm at, guys, I think this is my second gold ring in one day. This is a pretty one. See if I see any markings. A little dirty inside, getting it all cleaned up. It's cleaning up real quick and real easy. All right, I'll tell you what, I'm gonna flip you around and we'll take a look at it together. Didn't see any markings right off the hand here. That's what it looks like. I'll get it under the scope. It's got that little Maltese cross right there and a little bolt around it. It is awesome. It came out just like that, just nice and shiny. All right, I'll let you guys know once I find out what it really is. Let's do a live dig. Getting a deep 87, 86. Jumps around a little bit. There we go. Real high. Could just be junk. But let's take our chance. Does sound good. Let's see what pops up out of the ground. We have found a bunch of work dimes. Neat stuff here. Go a little deeper. Just check. Not saying it's out there. Or close to it. It's gonna go here. Alright, here we go. Alright. It could just be a quarter. There we go. Like that, and looky here. We have a brass ring. Isn't that awesome, guys? It's always fun to buy, stuff like this. It's amazing. Yeah. Well, that was a bust, but it gives a good signal. All right, see you on the next one. Well, guys, the sun is starting to go down. What a beautiful scene out here. And I did get another weedy right there. I haven't taken a look at it yet. Oh, it's a weedy. That one was pretty early. Let's see what this one comes out to. If I grab it enough there, put it in, maybe a little more. Probably going to be 40, 50s. Yep, 44. There we go. Another weedy. I haven't found one of these in quite a while. But check it out. That's a thimble. Right, there we go. That's pretty cool. Nice. Right, we got our next find here. Let's take a look here. I believe it's 1950. Yep, 1950 weedy. Awesome. Recheck my hole and there were 4 signals. I put out a 5 quarter next to it, but this is the second wheat penny, so that's going to be an old spill right here. It is starting to get too dark for me to really get much, but that's the 3rd weedy of the day. They were together. I'm guessing it's probably close to the 50s also. Yeah, see, it's pretty 45. There we go. Yep. Kept going, and I kept getting more signals. That makes weedy number 3 out of the hole. And I think 5 for the day. I think I said 3 earlier, but this would make number 5. That's what we get. Another 40s. There should be a 46S right there. Oh, wow. Weedy still. Our next find. We found one of these little keychains with the lightnings on it. Found quite a few of these in the past. That makes another one. Another find. Hey guys, we're going to do a wrap-up video of this last several weeks of metal detecting. So I went out, hit up with a couple of times with some buddies, and found some really cool stuff I wanted to share with you. So did find a whole stack of pennies here. These are the ones that are actually usable. They're copper pennies, and those will clean up really nice and be able to get those back to the bank. Some of them got hit with lawnmowers. This is the junk pile right here. Those pennies are worthless, and so they'll go in my junk bin on that. Did find a whole bunch of dimes and a whole bunch of quarters. Found about 5 nickels there. Found this nice old button right there. Found several other older buttons too, just like snap buttons, so probably off some pants or jackets or something. A couple of keys. Found a nice old marble. Found this really nice little star here. It was probably attached to something. It was at the old fairgrounds, so who knows what it was attached to. At the old air base that it was at, found this nice little medallion there for at the air base, which is pretty cool. Did find several little things like this fossil little tag that came off probably a purse or something. Camp Star right there. I did find an old sheriff's badge, one of those kids' sheriff's badge. I've got about 2 or 3 of these that I found, along with cap guns and Yeah, these are pretty neat though to find. Found the old thimble right there. Found this little medallion or pin. It's kind of coming off there. It says Johnson & Johnson Company. But nice little pin there that I found at the fairground. They're kind of neat. Found this medallion here. It has a letter L on it, but it is about falling apart. This little piece of bling junk. Same thing like with this one here. I found several of these is made out of pot metal, and they do not last at all. I did find this as a top find when I was walking around. I found this little cowrie shell, and they used to use these as currency. And so back for some of the islands and stuff like that, that's what they used for money. The little cowrie shell there. Found a makeup case, compact case lid, little junk ring right there, little zipper pull. Did find a little, it doesn't spin anymore, but found one of those, and did find some pennies. And the earliest one I think I found here, let me pull it up on the screen here so you guys can see it. I'm going to turn this right this way. And this one is the, I believe, 1929S. And the rest were 40s or so. So all the rest of them were 40s and 50s on there. Right there. I did find the socket, so I just kind of threw that up there with it. For the best finds though of the entire hunt are right here, guys. So I did find this beautiful silver ring. Pull that up. It is a James Avery 925. I found this gold ring. It is 10K. It does look like it got hit with a lawnmower, and it definitely has got some weight to it. And that same day, this little gold ring, and it's got some weight to it. It doesn't have any markings, so it's probably just private made, but a nice gold ring with some good color to it. Well guys, if you like these type of videos, please like and subscribe, and I'll bring you more content. I'll get out there and do some more digging, and we'll have more fun finding treasure. See you on the next one.